Is your garage door so noisy that you can hardly stand it? Here's some reasons why it might be and what you can do to fix it.
Number 8, your garage door spring might be broken. The garage door springs are what lifts all the weight of the door. So if one or both of your garage door springs are broken, that means that your garage door opener is having to work much harder to pull the door up and down, which means two things are gonna happen. One, you're gonna wear out your garage door opener faster, and two, you're gonna have a noisy garage door. It's real easy to check if your garage door spring is broken. All you have to do is look at your garage door spring, and if it's in two pieces like this, you know it's broken and you need to get it replaced. Number 7, your garage door rollers move the most on your garage door, and if they're old or metal or haven't been lubricated for quite some time, it can cause the bearings inside of them to break down and make the rollers really noisy. Number 6, the 3 things that move on your door the most are the springs, the hinges, and the rollers. And if you don't lubricate those properly or regularly, it will make your door noisy. To learn how often you need to lubricate these parts and what to lubricate them with, watch this video. Number 5, if you have a garage door opener, it's likely you'll have an arm like this that attaches the door to the trolley for the opener to pull it back and forth. The arm rotates on these pins here, so you can lubricate those and that can reduce the noise. Number 4, there's a lot of parts to your garage door and they're all attached by these little hinge screws right here. See this? Hinge screws. Sometimes these screws can get loose, so the easiest way to check if they're making noise is to tighten every one of them. Number 3, this is your horizontal track and this is your vertical track. These tracks meet together in one place right here. And if these tracks aren't aligned, that can cause your rollers to jump every time the door goes up and down. And if you figure you have 4 rollers that jump over this every time on both sides, that's gonna cause you a bunch of extra noise that wouldn't normally be there. To learn how to properly align your garage door tracks, watch this video. Number 2,
The vertical track that run up and down are attached with these track bolts.
you can see them down here and you can see them down there. Yours may have more than mine, but if these bolts or the screws that are screwed into the wall get loose, they can cause noise. You'll want to check and make sure that all of these bolts are tight and all the screws are tight. And you can do that with a 7/16, ½ inch, or 9/16 wrench or socket. And finally, the number 1 reason. If you have a chain-driven garage door opener, the chain can also cause a lot of noise if it's too loose. Mine isn't, but if your chain was too loose and it was, say, drooping down like this, then anytime you run the opener, it can cause the chain to vibrate back and forth on the rail like this. And that's just gonna be really loud and noisy. To learn how to tighten your garage door opener chain, watch this video. If you're experiencing any of these or other problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.